guys, hello you, good morning, how are you doing? Just the mere fact that I'm vlogging today, what does that mean? Guys, what does it mean? It's the 1st of December, so y'all know Vlogmas gonna be hitting up, like, yeah, we gonna do this. Okay, quick breakdown. This was a last minute decision. I really didn't prepare anything at all. Basically, this Vlogmas gonna run like day by day. We're gonna plan this. I may not do like daily vlogs, but you know, we're gonna figure it out along the way because I have to give you guys content. So do not forget to subscribe, click that notification button, comment below, let me know what you want to see for Vlogmas, what type of content you want to see. Oh yeah, it is now 6:15 in the morning. I love to get up early. I'm gonna get breakfast and then get ready for work and bathe and all that stuff. I have to reach to work for 8, so yes, totally forgot to do her intro and vlog, guys. I feel so, anyways, all raw. No, like I didn't wash my face and stuff like that, like is my outfit. Just this black and orange shirt and some black pants. Again, keeping it very simple, a little stud, and my hair is in a high bun. Look at that big bun, guys. I love my bun. And then there's like 2 little bracelets there. On to the day, let's see what Vlogmas Day 1 has in store for us. Okay guys, so I haven't had a drive with Kav session in such a long time, and I figured I'll bring it back. Usually when we drive together, I talk about something, I vent about something, or we just talk about some particular topic, right? What is today's topic for the first day of Vlogmas? Success. Let's talk about success. So basically, when you want to achieve success, you're really going to work hard towards it, right? But the thing is, we all want to be successful. But what does success mean to you? Because to be quite frank, what success means to me and what it means to you can be 2 different things. And if we don't know, that's like the basis of it. If we don't know what success means to us, we basically have no clear vision and clear goal of what we want to achieve. And we're probably going to be spinning it up in mud if it is we don't know what we want to achieve. Because let's just say this. For example, success to me could mean being financially free, being able to take care of my parents comfortably, and have a family. Success to you could be having 2 houses and a Ferrari and a Lamborghini or something like that, or even just having a good job could mean success to you. So the thing is, finding the definition of success to you is most important before you just say, hey, I want to be successful in life, I want to achieve this, yada yada yada. No, you first must start off with defining success to you. Success. What do you want this? Just right inside of my cheek, guy. Anyway, yeah, so you basically have to define it to you first, and that is how you would know what success means to you, and you have a clear definition of your goals. Then y'all are really short, so this doesn't really make much sense. But anyways, I'm heading out to work. Leave a comment below, let me know what success means to you. Yeah, and what do you think about this little topic thing, driving with Kav? I love it. I kind of like it because when I'm driving, I have so many thoughts and so many things going on in my brain, and I have nobody to share it with, so I can share it with you guys.
What's left? The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Christmas wish list. It's like a little after 5 this evening right now, and I not too long got home. Let's talk about all the things that I'd like to get for this Christmas 2020 while I undo my hair. What? Okay, let's start off with miscellaneous items. In terms of miscellaneous items, I would like, well, I have such a bad headache. In terms of miscellaneous items, I really want to get a water bottle, stainless steel, a pretty one. You know, the ones that can keep things hot, keep things cool, that kind of one. It's kind of, it's not totally irrelevant, but it's not really relevant because I do have a water bottle. I kind of am a water bottle hoarder. Well, I don't have a list right now. I'm just thinking of things on the top of my head, things that I really wish that I could get for this Christmas 2020. Let's see, what else? Clothing wise, I really want a long cardigan because I'm just thinking I love the look about like a jeans and a camisole, a jeans and a regular t-shirt, and a long cardigan. Oh, to die for. That look is amazing, even though I'm very short and I'm not sure how I'll pull that off, but I just really want one. Next, yo, I saw this dress. It is a vintage type swing dress. I'll insert a picture right here. Like, yo, watch now. I saw this dress and I fell in love. I wanted this dress so bad, and the thing is, the stupid thing, I was like, yeah, I'll just order it in a couple days, next 2 days. Like, when I actually did inquire about it, the order was closed off, and yeah, it was just way too expensive. Elsewhere, a vacation. I want to go away into like an estate, well, not away, but even in my country. I want to go to like an estate or like a little cottage and spend like a few days. A full week is ideal, but I'll settle for a weekend. But a full week, you know, like a full week where you could like take really good pictures, do some filming, just sit and meditate and indulge in the beauty that nature has to offer, the tranquility, the sound of nature is just so amazing. You know, those kind of things. But because ideally, now it sounds really weird, why would you want a vacation when you've been home? Well, you should have been home and in quarantined for COVID. No, guess what, I am an essential worker, so I worked the entirety, is that a word? I worked for the entire COVID period. Really would like to go on a hike, like so bad. First of all, to get a few persons to go on a hike with me. Well, not really a few persons, traditionally my boyfriend, but danger, safety, you want like a group of people, and not everyone has the time to go, because I really want to go on a hike, especially to a waterfall. Like, yes, that is my calling. Hiking, yes, on the list. Onto material things again. Storage. I probably repeat this over and over, but I need like memory cards, flash drives. I really need an external hard drive because memory on like devices is very close to being full, you know. Even on this phone right now, there's a possibility that it could almost be full. Like, I don't even know why the heck do you need so much memory, Kavita? Because you take out unnecessary stuff, unnecessary videos, unnecessary pictures, unnecessary of everything. Like, I could go through my phone and you would see pictures like, Kavita, why did you take this out? Why do you need this? And I'm like, well, because I probably will need it for some footage, or like I could post it, or like something. I don't know. It's totally unnecessary. Mind you, it is unnecessary. Besides my vacation, I would really like, now mind you, this is really a wish. I have struggled so much and so hard with time. Time is something that is like, a lot of us struggle with time management. I really wish that I had time to focus on my inner peace. I know that is something that I definitely have to make time for. I have started to do it recently, and then I kind of like dropped off the scale a little bit. There was a point in time last year that I was like really focusing on that and meditating and really just focusing on mindfulness, but I kind of fell off the grid again, started it back recently and then fell off again. But I really want to incorporate that more, because it is so important, guys, to just stop breathe, relax, and realize where you are at in life, what's going on around you, what is surrounding you. Just keep going with life, and you're not really sure where you're at. You know, you don't want to just like flow by like a leaf. You want to be like a, can't think of an can't really think of a nice reference right now, but okay, let's think about a tree. You want to stand tall, straight. You don't want to stay in the same foundation, but you want to keep growing. You know, you want to keep growing. You don't want to be the leaf, you want to be the tree. Another thing is, I would really like my two businesses to be successful and grow a little bit more, well, a lot more. But in this 1 month of Christmas, I really want to focus on my businesses and let them grow. If you guys don't already know, see myself promo, I have a jewelry business where I make handmade jewelry. You know, just saying, just letting you guys know, I make jewelry. I recently launched a Christmas collection. Currently it's only available in Trinidad and Tobago. I'll leave the links below. It's called Kavan's Jewels. If you'd like to know more, just leave a comment, let me know. Definitely check my stuff out, guys. I'd like to think I make pretty cute stuff, you know. Other business, I sell amazing high quality products from like hair, skin, nutrition, weight loss, cleaning stuff, so many different things. It's just like, what do you really want for Christmas? So if you could just have like 2 things that you really would like to get to have, whether it be something material, non-material, what is something that you really want? This should be the end of my vlog. What I'm gonna do now, I'm feeling really tired. I don't know why, because like 8 hours sleep last night. I went to sleep like after 9, got up like 20 to 6, so essentially I definitely got enough rest. Guess what, today, like whole day today, I was just like down and groggy. Like my head started hurting like after lunch, and it just kept hurting. It's still hurting. And I'm just feeling like so tired, but we can do this. We got this. Gonna edit this video now. Definitely gonna be posting this very late, either late tonight or very early in the morning. Looking forward to doing more Vlogmas for you guys. Bye. See you in my next video.
You know that all I want for Christmas is you.